Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. What we have here is what I always said, one of the best Ford motor small blocks, the 408 Windsor Stroker. This one got painted the Ford blue, the whole complete block, oil pan, timing cover, intake manifold. What a gorgeous motor with a Holley EFI system on there. Thing just got done making about 529 torque and 510 horsepower. That's fantastic. Again, all of our engines are custom built in-house. If there's anything you're interested, give us a call. Hey, you Ford guys, we're now building Godzilla motors. Check us out. We are one badass Godzilla builder. Very nice. I'll peek out a few more. Very nice.